Hello guys, welcome back to the Droid Tips, and in this video we're going to talk about how to fix Counter-Strike 2, that is CS2, is having an issue with disk write error on the Steam and how we can fix this up. So let's dive into the workaround. The first one is all about when you're having this trouble, we need to allow the game to Windows security. For this reason we have to go over here in the search, we have to go for control panel. Now from here go to system and security, go for Windows Defender Firewall. Now from here go to allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall. Keep scrolling down and navigate to the game. So it is very important that we have to keep in mind when you're trying to play these games you have to make sure it is already added. So the Counter-Strike 2 is already added. At the same time we have to make sure that the private and public has to be checked, and this is what we have to do. So imagine the game is not here, so we can add it by default. So just go over here in the change settings, go for allow another app, go for browse, go to this PC, navigate to the installation folder. If you install it on D, then navigate to D, go to Steam library, Steam apps, common, go to Counter-Strike Global FNC, select the game from here. Somewhere else over here you can select the game and you can add it. So keep in mind, I'm getting the error because the game is already added. So this is how we can add the game if it is not there. Once you add the game, just close everything, go back, try launching the game. Next one is all about we have to run the Steam as an administrator. So just go over here in the game, search for Steam, and there is an option called run it as an administrator. Go for yes. So the Steam will be opened once again. Try launch the game, and that can also be help you guys out. Third step is all about we need to uncheck read only for Steam folder. So just go over here in the file explorer. Now from here we have to go over here in this PC, go to local disk C, go to program files, and from here we have to find Steam. We have to find Steam over here. Okay, sorry, not this one. Program X files, open this. Now Steam is there, select the folder, right click, go to show more options and go to properties. Now from here there is an option called read only. So uncheck this and go for apply and go for OK. You have to do the necessary change. Most probably this will be checked. You have to uncheck this, go for apply. Once afterwards, just close everything, go back, try launch the game. Fourth step is all about we have to clear the download cache. For this we just need to go over here in the Steam, go over here in the settings. Now from here go to the download. Now from here we have to scroll down and navigate to clear download cache. So clear it. Once afterwards, try launch the game. Next one is all about fifth step, that is all about we have to verify the game file. Just go over here, right click, and we have to go over here in the properties, go for installed file and click on the verify game file. It is going to take a little bit of time. So once afterwards, try launch the game. Next one, we have to uninstall and reinstall the game. For this we just need to go over here in the game, right click, we have to go to manage, uninstall the game. For reinstalling it back, we have to install it back on either C or E because it is already installed in D. So these are the possible workarounds, and I hope this video is helpful. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notifications. See you soon in the next video. Peace out. Bye bye.